We've got breaking news coming in. Inside details of government farmer talks access after farmers allege NIA is being misused to target them. Government is seeking a list of innocents who have been questioned by the agencies. That's the latest coming in. We're getting a reaction coming in. First, listen in to that, and then we go to Kamaljeet for more on the story.
कभी कहते हैं नक्सलाइट हैं, ये माओवादी हैं, ये पाकिस्तान से पाकिस्तान चला रहा है, इनको चाइना चला रहा है कि सरकार इखलाकी तौर पे हार चुकी है, लेकिन अपनी हार मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं, जिसलिए हमारे किसानों पर ये डराने धमकाने के लिए जो NIA एजेंसी नोटिस भेज दिया।
आप लोगों को विटनेस के तौर पे बुलाया गया था। STR की बात की जा रही है, जो बोल रहे हैं कि सस्पेंशन ट्रांजैक्शन रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो जनरेट हुई है ना, फॉरेन फंडिंग आई है आप लोगों के अकाउंट में।
बेटा जी, मेरा अकाउंट बैंक में है, सोसाइटी का अकाउंट भी स्टेट बैंक में है, मेरा अपना अकाउंट भी बैंक में। पहले बैंक का अकाउंट तो चेक कर लेते, देख लेते।
आप पेश हो गए?
देखिए, संयुक्त मोर्चे ने कह दिया कि नहीं, संयुक्त मोर्चा कहेगा पेश होना है तो होगा, कहेगा नहीं होना, उन्होंने कह दिया नहीं होना। जितनी देर वो आगे नहीं कहते, एक बार मेरे को रोक दिया, आगे जितनी देर वो कहते हैं कि पेश हो, उतनी जब देर नहीं कहते मैं नहीं।
Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining us for the very latest. Kamaljeet, if you could just bring us up to speed with the latest developments. The farmer unions raised the issue of the NIA notices being sent out to the supporters, and now the government says give us a list of the innocents who have been questioned by the NIA. Have they been able to provide the government with this list?
Well, no headway has been made, especially as far as the talks are concerned. But remember, there was a lunch break which was currently going on. So the meeting is about to resume. But yes, the farmers have told us that they have brought up the issue of the NIA summons sent to several people associated with the farmer agitation. Now, we also spoke to Manjinder Singh Sirsa. He said this is a dual policy of the government. On one hand, they're approaching them for talks. On the other hand, they're sending notices. There are raids being conducted by different agencies. So in that sense, this is an intimidation tactics is what the farmers are alleging. The other part is obviously regarding the Republic Day or the 26th January. This is when the farmers are adamant they want to carry out their tractor parade. This again is a security related issue. The government has already made it very clear they're very unhappy about it. But again, coming back to the two main issues, one is reverting back on the repeal of the farm bills, and the other is regarding the MSP, the guarantee regarding the minimum support price. No headway so far, and doesn't seem that there is any out-of-the-box solution. So what farmers are telling us that this only means that there's going to be another round of talks. That means nothing is going to really be achieved. So we are expecting that maybe another half an hour or 1 hour or so. The meeting, when it started, did not begin at 2 o'clock. It began at 2:48. So already a very delayed meeting. Before that, we saw the likes of Piyush Goyal, the Agriculture Minister, both meeting the Home Minister, taking down instructions. But what is happening is that nothing seems to be cutting ice with these farmers who are only adamant that they will not return till the time these three farm bills are taken back.
Well, this is going to be a rather difficult one because 10 round of talks and not any headway being made. We'll wait and watch to see what happens next. Thanks much, Kamaljeet, for getting our viewers up to speed with the latest developments. Now, amidst the ongoing deadlock over the farm laws, the government and farmers are holding 10th round of talks, as we just mentioned, at Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan. Home Minister Amit Shah met Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, even Railway Minister Piyush Goyal at his residence before the farmers' meeting. In the talks held so far, there has been no concrete outcome, as Kamaljeet was just saying, even as the farmers' agitation is continuing for nearly 2 months. While the farmers are pushing for repealing of the laws, the government is insisting on amendments to address the issues faced by the farmers. Meanwhile, the army has been asked veterans to not don uniforms or display any medals while attending the farmers' protests. Sources have said that uniforms or medals cannot be worn while attending public gathering or protests.
जो कह रहे हैं कि खेती तीनों कानूनों को रद्द करने की रिपील जो है उनको रद्द करने की बात छोड़कर किसी और विकल्पों या होर बिंदुओं पर गलबात करने के लिए किसान आए। किसान बिल्कुलों किसान जथेबंदियां दे आगू या किसान बिल्कुल ये गल मानने को तैयार नहीं। असी तो उसकी रिपील पर खड़े हैं और तिन्ने खेती कानून रद्द किए जाएँ और MSP का वक्रा कानून बनाया जाए। उससे काम सानू कोई भी मंजूर नहीं। असी अपनी बात पर बिल्कुल अड़ेंगे।
सरकार जो मर्जी बातें करे, हमारी तो केवल ये पहले मांग है कि तीनों कृषि कानून जो किसी किसान ने आज तक मांगे नहीं, आपने गले का फंदा बनाकर किसानों के गले में डाल दिया है, उसको आप पहले रिपील करें, उसके बाद कोई चर्चा होगी।